Life insurance. Confusing? Boring? Maybe even a little scary? Today, we're busting the top 10 life insurance myths people still believe. These myths can cost families thousands, or even leave them unprotected. So let's clear things up. If life insurance has ever felt complicated, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Learn to Insure, your easy guide to life, health, auto, and home insurance. In this video, you'll learn what's true, what's false, and how to choose coverage confidently. Let's jump straight into the top 10 myths and bust every single one. Myth number 1. Life insurance is too expensive. Actually, most people overestimate the cost by 300%. A healthy 30-year-old might pay less than $1 a day. Myth 2. I'm young, so I don't need coverage. Truth? Youth is the best time to buy. Rates are lowest when you're healthy. Myth 3. I have savings. That's enough. But savings often disappear fast. Insurance provides a guaranteed safety net. Myth 4. All life insurance is the same. Nope. Term, whole, universal, each fits different goals. One size does not fit all. Myth 5. Life insurance is only for parents. Actually, singles, homeowners, and business owners benefit too. Myth 6. My employer coverage is enough. Most work policies offer low payouts and end when you leave the job. Myth 7. You can't get coverage if you have health issues. Many companies offer flexible underwriting. You still have options. Myth 8. Life insurance is mainly an investment. While some policies build cash value, insurance is first and foremost protection. Myth 9. Life insurance only covers funerals. In reality, it covers income replacement, debt, mortgage protection, and family expenses. Myth 10. I can get life insurance later. Sadly, later isn't guaranteed, and rates rise every year you wait. Buying early locks and low premiums. Waiting can double the cost or reduce your options. Insurance companies price based on risk, and risk increases naturally as we age. Most families choose term life for affordability. It's simple, transparent, and covers critical years. For example, a 35-year-old non-smoker might get $500,000 of term coverage for under $30 a month. That payout can help cover mortgages, childcare, or simply keep loved ones financially stable. Always compare quotes. Different insurers use different underwriting, so prices vary. And no, you don't always need an agent. Online comparison tools make it easy to shop. Even if you have health conditions, simplified issue, or guaranteed life policies may still approve you. At its core, life insurance is financial protection, something every family deserves. Quick recap. Most myths come from misunderstanding cost, timing, and coverage types. Tip: start early, compare plans, and choose coverage based on your needs, not myths. Remember, life insurance isn't about fear, it's about planning with confidence. If this helped clear up the confusion, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Subscribe to Learn to Insure for more simple, stress-free insurance guides. See you in the next video.